Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Landlord Interface tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add a SquareUp credit card processor to your landlord account. First thing is you want to click Credit Card Processor in the Landlord interface. Click Connect with SquareUp and you will be taken away from the Landlord interface. You may need to sign up for a SquareUp account and provide all the necessary details to authorize Paybox to access credit card payments for you. And once you have achieved that step, you will be taken to this screen here. You will be asked for these various permissions. The only ones we use are creating payments and refunds and allow payments with additional receipts. We will never collect your profile information or read your payment history. Simply click Allow and you will be brought back to the Landlord interface where you will need to log in again. Click Credit Card Processor and you will see that you are now enabled to process credit cards through SquareUp. To add this service or remove this service from the web interface, click Enabled or Disabled and save. Thank you.